Introducing the Rove Ultimate 3-Lead Mini USB Hardware Kit. The Rove Ultimate 3-Lead Hardware Kit is a high-premium hardware kit that keeps your dashcam powered and recording even after the car's engine is off, to utilize the 24-hour parking monitor feature so you can have a peace of mind when you leave your vehicle unattended. It is compatible with all Rove dashcams and with most other dash cameras in the market with a mini USB power connector. No more wires going into the cigarette outlet of the car. The Rove Ultimate 3-Lead Hardware Kit supports voltage from any vehicle that runs on 12 or 24 volt and works perfectly for cars, trucks, buses, SUVs, or big rigs for continuous power. Moreover, it comes with a sensitive voltage sensing switch. It will monitor the car's battery voltage in real time and cut off the power once the voltage is lower than the configured value, 11.8 volts, 12 volt input, or 23.6 volts, 24 volt input. So it's leaving enough power to ignite the car's engine for the next time use. Even better is that it can be installed easily and requires little to no electrical expertise. It comes with all needed installation tools and necessary fuse taps and cables to make the installation easier. Also, a nicely written user manual with detailed installation instructions is provided in the package. And if you have any questions, our customer care is ready to assist you in no time. Get your Rove Ultimate 3-Lead Hardware Kit today.